Hello guys, look at this, what is it? This is a magic box, right? Look at this, how many balls inside, yes, different colors, right? Oh, let's go try find something inside, right? I think we have more beautiful and wonderful something. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh, balls anywhere. Look at this. Look at this. Whoa, what is it? Whoa, I never see this. Look at this. This is a grand. Yeah, this is a grand truck. Wow, nice. Cabin, yellow cabin, right, open the doors. Close the doors. Whoa. Look at this. Whoa. Look at this backside. Whoa, backside green. What he can do. If we have something, this crane can help us. Take it. Go up and turn. And we need to drop it. Right. Close. Wow, nice truck. Look at this truck. So beautiful. Whoa, crane truck. Okay. Okay. I wanna find something. What is it? Look at this. Open the doors. Close the doors. This is garbage truck. Right, guys. So beautiful. What we have? We have white cabin and blue backside. Right. So beautiful. We open the doors, but we have so many garbage. Right, guys, we need to put it inside. Yes. Look at this. We go to drop this garbage. Yeah. And drop it. Nice. Guys, so beautiful. Beautiful truck. This is a garbage truck. Whoa. Okay. I wanna find more trucks, guys. I think we have trucks today. Right. Whoa. I go to the front side, but we don't have anything from the right and from the left. Okay. I go down more. Look at this. So beautiful. This is concrete mixer truck, right, guys? Look at this, so beautiful truck. Cabin, blue cabin, right? Mixer is the white. Yes, look at this. He's spinning, right? How do you think? How it's work? I think we need put inside something after we need drop it, right? Wow, it was so beautiful, right? Okay, guys, look at this truck. This is concrete mixer truck spinning. Wow, so nice. I want find something. Search. Woo. Oh, look at this. Oh, so beautiful, right? Yeah. Look at this cabin. Right, cabin. Right. Open the doors. Yes, doors is open. Close the doors. Right. Oh, how do you think? How he work? I think need turn. Cran. And now we need something, but we have only balls, right? Yes, we need take this ball, go up, turn right now, and drop it. Ooh, so nice. Oh, good try. Look at this. This is it. Wow. This is an excavator track. Yes. So next one. Oh, how do you think? What is it? Truck? Oh, whoa! Look at this! So beautiful truck. What is this beautiful truck? This is a green cabin and open the doors. Right, open the doors. Close the doors. Wow! Look at this. Nice. Let's go try open the doors from back side. Yes. What is the back side is the white and green, right? Open this white doors. So nice. We have something from the right side, maybe left side, and we come to this mails, right? Yes, guys, this is a mails. So many mails. Need put it inside, right? Whoa, so nice. Now we need drop it. Wow, we drop all mails. Okay, close the doors, right? Look at this postal truck. Oh, so nice postal truck. Okay, let's go find more. Ooh, wow, wow. Ooh, look at these guys. We don't have any more trucks because we have only balls. Oh, so need drop these balls inside, and in the next video we have more trucks, I think. And if you subscribe and press the button for make a like and look at the next video, you can see so many something. Okay, let's go. Bye.